Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to run Ollama locally. So Ollama is a project which is a free and open source project which lets you run large language models locally in your system. First I will show how to download Ollama. So it can be done either by going to Ollama's homepage, that is uh, ollama.com, or to its GitHub page. I will link both of the websites in the description. So to download, you can click on the download button, and then it will show you Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. So you can select the appropriate operating system and then click on download. And for Linux, I think yeah, you can download it by using curl command. So if you are using GitHub, you can go to the GitHub page, and below you will find all the the same instructions here also. I have already downloaded Ollama in my system, so I will not repeat the step. So once you have downloaded Ollama and installed Ollama in your system, you can go to command prompt and type Ollama. Okay, and you will get some information like this. And if Ollama is not installed properly, it will give Ollama is not a recognized command. So so it shows the available commands, and first step we have to do is we can pull a model from the registry. So the models are the available large language models. So to see the available large language models, you can click here. So these are the available large language models. This is Llama 3.1 and Gemma. It's a Google product, and this is made by Meta. So there are many different companies which have made open sourced LLM models compatible with Ollama. So Quinn is from Alibaba, Phi is from Microsoft. Then there is a Mistral, then Nvidia's Nemetron, etc. And there are some large language models which are specifically for coding, so you can search for them. So for example, there is DeepSeek, Code Gemma, Code Llama. So there are a lot of models, like you can download whichever model uh, suits your purpose. And in the GitHub page, some more information is given about the models. So the size of the model and the parameters are also given, and the requirement of RAM is also given below. So like if you are planning to download a 7 billion parameter model, then you will have to have at least uh, 8 GB RAM. So that is something which you have to consider before downloading the model. So back to command prompt. So I have already like pulled a few uh, models. So I will list the models which are available right now. So currently I have three models already downloaded in the system. So if you are starting new, you will have to pull a model. So I will show it by pulling Llama 3.1. Oh, sorry. So I have actually pulled this some time back, so it happened very fast. But first, like if you are pulling a model for the first time, it would take probably like it will take some time depending upon your uh, internet connectivity. So once you have pulled a model, you can run the model. Llama run and the model name. It will take a few seconds for the model to run. Okay, so now the model is ready. So now we can ask questions to the model. This is a very common question which is asked to all models to like test. Okay, it is giving a very detailed explanation. Okay, it's going on. Okay, I will just okay. Uh, the Llama model has given a very detailed explanation on why sky appears to be blue. So we can also give uh, additional information like be concise with the answer. Now let's see how the model replies. Okay, so now the answer is very small. Even though Llama 3.1 is not specifically made for coding purpose, it also can be used as a help with coding. For example, I will use a command, generate a Python mapping months to uh, month numbers. Don't give any examples or so I have given some additional prompt not to give any examples or additional information. Otherwise, usually it will reply with a lot of additional information and a lot of use cases. So we can exit the model by saying backslash and by. Okay, so now I am back in the terminal. So as you can see, the models actually takes up a big chunk of memory. It's good to delete the models if you are not using them frequently. So for that, I think the command is rm. We'll just do Ollama help. Okay, so rm is the command to remove models. So I'm removing a model which is not used very frequently. And list. Okay, so now the Mistral model is removed. Thank you guys for watching the video, and go ahead, download Ollama and try working with large language models. So let me know your feedback in the comments, and press the like button if you like the video. Thank you. See you in another video.